So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create a Facebook business page. Now I want you to understand these two things. We have Facebook profile and we have Facebook business page. These two things are totally different. A Facebook profile is the one that actually connected with you with your friends that you're actually chatting with on the messengers. On the Facebook business page, this is different because this is where creator post or publish their contents, articles, videos, pictures, short, in fact different type of content, okay, and they are being published publicly. Okay, it's different from a Facebook profile. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can create a good, standard, well optimized Facebook business page. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So for you to be able to do that, if you have not created an account on Facebook, please go and download Facebook on the Play Store, and then after that you can actually create your account. But if you have created an account and you actually want to create a Facebook business page, then watch this video to the end. So I have my own Facebook here, which I'm going to click, of course. So this is my account. And secondly, if you have already have a page and the page is not actually performing the way you actually want the page to perform, then watch this video to the end, because there are some settings that I will review for you in this video that you're actually missing on your page. And once these settings are being applied on your page, you will see that your page will be widely recommended and you will start getting views. So those low views or those low recommendations that you're actually getting on your page would stop after you pay full concentration on this video and you watch this video to the end, so that you actually pick whatever I will explain or whatever I will say in this video. So for me to be able to create this an account, okay, so I'm going to click over this place. Okay guys, please pay attention. Click over this place. Then when I click here, it's going to bring me directly into this place. Okay, so here this is where I'm going to create my account. I say create Facebook profile. Okay, so click here. Okay, so once you click here, you say personal profile, which is the one that I explained before. That personal profile is the one that you begin to communicate with your friends, all those kind of things. Okay, so on the public page, we have grow as a business creator organizations. Okay, so this is where creators or business owners publish their business, or creators begin to upload contents, they monetize their ideas. So here is this very one that we are going to create now. Okay, so I'm going to click on this very one, and once I click here, I will come over to this place that say next. Okay, so before you say you want to create a page, a business page, first of all, you have to sit down and ask yourself, what kind of content do I want to upload? What kind of content do you want to create, that you know that you're going to create a community or an audience that will actually pay full attention to your content? What kind of content, what kind of niche are you good on? So are you good in cooking? Are you good in storytelling? Are you good in comedy? Are you good in explainer videos? Are you good in review videos like product? All those kind of things. You just need to sit down and begin to ask yourself, are you good in reaction videos? Okay, so these are what you need to ask yourself before starting a Facebook business page. Okay, you say use the name of your business brand or organization, or a name that help explain your page. Okay, so here you can actually put the name that you actually want. For example, I'm going to use a name like founder. I'm going to use a name like this, founder TV. Okay, so here I'm going to click on next. Please pay full attention on this video, because I'm going to explain everything in details for you, so that you actually know how you can create a Facebook page from the beginning to the end, and how you can set it up so that whenever you upload content, they will begin to go viral. You don't need to, be stressing yourself looking for where you'll be commenting to be telling people, oh, follow to follow, do this and this. So this method will help your page to be well optimized and well set up, and Facebook will recommend your content wherever you publish any content. So here you say, what category best describe Founder TV? A category will help people find this page in search result. You can add up to 3. So what are we going to do here? I'm going to look for video creator. Okay, guys, pay attention. Oh, video creator, video creator. Okay, if I can see it. Okay, I don't think that. Let me click creator video. Let me see if that one will actually pop up. That one did not. So what I will do, I will do video game. So maybe the other one will pop up since this one did not come up. Okay, or I can do comedy. Okay, or public figure. Let me just put public figure, public figure, public figure. Come in, please. I don't think public figure come out. So let me put, I didn't think, okay, there is no public figure. But later on, we can actually change this, okay? So what I will do, I will put video gaming creator. Okay, let me just put video game. So I'm going to click on next, okay? Create. Okay, so pay attention. Oh. So later we can actually go back on this page and begin to do more editing, more proper editing. So on the buyer, see what we are going to do here. I'm going to say, hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome. You can say welcome. Welcome to Founder TV page. Please guys, okay? So I think I click something. I will now say, okay, please guys, 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 make sure you join this community. Okay, I've just used, it's just a random word. Okay, so here we can put our email address. If you don't have, can put your phone number, your locations, your address, okay, your zip code, and then here on this place we just have to put it open, always open. So please pay attention. Oh, always open. So all these things, please make sure you fill all these things. If you don't have a website, it's fine, but the email address, the phone number, the locations, the address that you are, the zip code, please make sure you fill that information. So I'm going to click on next. So we are moving forward. So here on this process, we have customize your page. Okay, so here I'm going to use a random profile image. Okay, so I'm going to use this very one. Okay, I don't think this one will actually go. So let me try this very one. If this one will go. So at the same time, I'm going to use this very one again because there are two profiles here. So I'm going to click on this very one. Okay, this one show. So let me click on this very one again. Let me still use the same thing. Okay, so I will use the same thing. Let me see. Okay, the two go. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so I will click on next. Please pay attention to this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and do that. So here they will say invite your friends. So I'm not going to invite anybody on this process. Say page held. Good. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, it says stay info about your page. Turn on those features to help make the most of Founder TV. You can change them anytime in the settings. So I told you guys that we can change all these things anytime that we want to change everything. So here we have page notifications, marketing and promotion email about your page. So just leave it like that on the default the way it is. So here we are going to switch on into our page. Okay, so guys, pay attention. So here you see that we have already created a page. Okay, So here, if you come over to this place, which I actually want to show you guys, if you come over to this place, this is our professional dashboard. Okay, so let's click on our professional dashboard and see. So say welcome to your new page. Okay, so they say we should tour around. Okay, so we are going to tour. Okay, and I think that is all. Nice. Okay. Okay, so here, this is how our professional dashboard look like. Say, welcome to the professional dashboard founder. Manage content in one place. Get to your dashboard from from your profile or the menu. Exploit tools that support your goal. Okay, so here, exploit on my own. So I'm going to click on exploit on my own. So as you can see, our page is 0 followers. We don't have any followers for now. And as you can see, you can see everything here. So if I actually come over to this three dot and I click on this three dot, it's going to bring us to this place that's a professional dashboard. So I'm going to click on the professional dashboard. On over the professional dashboard, I'm going to see something like order here, and I will see monetization. I will see recommendation. Let's check recommendation. You see our page is recommended. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's fine. And let me check this. Admit is only me. Okay, let me check status. Okay, so you see, whenever someone create a page, what you need to check is for you to come over to this place and check this thing. Okay, monetization, you see not eligible. So if you click here, I'm going to explain something to you. You are not eligible to earn yet. Okay, the reason why you should see this kind of a thing is because you just open this page. Okay, so once this page begin to get engagement and begin to stay like a month, you see that this thing will turn into green. Okay, all these things that they say you are not eligible, you will be eligible. Okay, so this is how you do all this stuff. So we are going to go back here. When you check on recommendation, you see your page is recommended. Okay, your page is recommended. So when you check on monetization, okay, you see these are the monetization that will be available for you when you meet up the criteria. So the one that is available for you is partner ad. Okay, this partner ad means that whenever someone wants you to partner to show ad on your own page, it will partner with you and you begin to show ad on your page for your viewers or your audience. So this is how you create a page. Then for you to be able to publish content, if you actually want to upload content, okay, I'm going to teach you how you can actually upload content on your page. Okay, you say introduce feed, especially for founder TV. Okay, so you see, so all these things, they are okay. Okay, go to new feed. Okay, so here, come over to this three dot, please. This is where I actually want you to pay attention. Okay, come over to this three dot. So click on the three dot. When you click on this three dot, you see post, you see stories, reels, live, upload, note. Okay, so since you are new in Facebook, you just created your page newly, what I would recommend you is by doing all these things, but don't go live. Post at least 2 videos a day. On a story, post 1 story or 3 stories. On the reels, post at least 2 reels every day. On upload like 2 or 3 videos a day. Then on the note, put the note. Guys, if you do these things that I explained to you, there is no how in 30 days that you are not going to get no less than 20,000 followers on Facebook or even 50,000 followers if you follow this step that I explained to you. These are the strategies that many creators on Facebook will not explain to you, but I actually want to explain these things for you so that you can be able to grow and be happy about what you are actually doing. So this is how you set up all these things. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to explain many things for you on these settings. Please click on these settings because I actually want to explain something to you that will actually help you. So on these settings, we're going to click on page setup. So click on page setup. You are not seeing the page setup. Let me actually circle it for you guys. So page setup, which is this very one, okay, the one I actually set up. So we are going to check on page details as well. Okay, so pay attention. I'm going to click on page setup. So under this page setup, okay, please pay attention. Pay attention very well. You see, page setup, page access, page status, page recommendation, connect page. Okay, so we are going to look on page name. So under this page name, you see, if you want to change your page name, you can change your page name, but it will be 60 days for you to be able to change your page name. Okay, so let's go back. I just want to show you that if you want to change your page name. So now we have page details. Okay, click on page details. So this is where you fill all these informations. Okay guys, please pay attention. On this one, you can actually change your category. That category that we were trying to change that did not work, let's try it whether it's going to work here. Video creator. Okay, video creator. You see, we got the video creator. So this is it. You know, the other time we were searching for the video creator and it did not show. That's why I say don't worry. So if immediately we create our page, we can get it. And now we get the video creator. So click on video creator and save it. So once you save it, you can come here and add social media links. Okay, your social media link. If you have any social media account like TikTok, you can add it here. Then your address, please, is very important. Your phone number is very important. Your email address is very important. Your area where you are living is very, very important. Then here, your work experience, if you actually want to add that, is good. High school, if you want to add it. If you don't want, just forget about it. Then here, date of birth, if you want. If you don't want, there's no issue about that. Then on the transparent, I want to explain something transparent for you guys. Click on transparent, and then you see how your transparent is going to look. The reason why our own is actually looking like this is because we have not yet getting any engagement here. So whenever your page have lasted for like 30 days or 60 days, this dashboard, this place, this interface is going to change. Okay, it's going to change. So these are all the things that you actually need to set up your page, and your page will start getting recommendation whenever you upload content on that page. Okay, so these are all the things, the things that I actually show you in this video. So guys, I think this is where we are going to end this video. If you love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my community. Okay, join my community because I teach videos on how to grow your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube as well. So if you join, you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I upload any content. Okay, so guys, support me. Okay, support me. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.